fit at 75%. Copy. Standing by. The DOBLPC turns fine. Declining memory. Up speed.
What's up, everybody? Right here we got the Vortex Diamondback Binocular 10 by 42. Let's check this bad boy out right here. It's got full multi-coated. It's got dielectric coated, Aragon purged, whatever that means. Nice case here. Got the Vortex logo on the front. Got some zippers, got some little pamphlet, little wipe, some cardboard, here we got the binoculars. They feel real nice. Covers here. Yeah, they feel real nice in the hand. It's very well made. Top of the line right here. Got these attached covers from the front. Got the nice Diamondback. Got some thumb indentings down here. Pretty nice. Heavy duty, sturdy, but not too heavy. They got a little bit of weight to them. Comes with a nice neck piece right here. It's pretty nice. Got the Vortex branding logo, both sides. Not too bad, not too bad. There it is, Vortex Diamondback.